Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. Before I start off with what this one's going to be all about, I want to remind you, please hit the thumbs up button, the like button for me, helps me out with YouTube's analytics. If any of these Your Prep for Today videos could be of interest to your friends that have shown any the slightest bit of interest in getting prepared or just becoming, oh, maybe I should have extra stuff on hand. What do I do? Share it with them. And at the very end of this video, I'll have a couple links placed over here on this side here that you can share with them for prepping for beginners and prepping in private. So I'll be at the end of the video. Today's Your Prep for Today was suggested by a channel member, and the prep is pee pads. And some of you go, well, why do I need pee pads? I don't have that problem. Well, you don't have that problem yet. There's a good chance you could have that problem if you live long enough. And it may not just be for you. It may be for your spouse. It may be for your grandkids that are still having problems when they come to visit and you don't want them peeing in the bed. All right, so and you can pick up pee pads, all around. You can get pee pads from estate sales because generally that stuff usually gets thrown away or they get given away. Get there early and say, hey, you got any pee pads and stuff? Just tell me you're interested. Here. They'll just give it to you. All right, so. And then besides pee pads are the type that go on the beds and stuff, there's some other pee pads that go inside of clothing that you may want to see about getting as well. All right? Okay, so before I take off, I'm going to put a link up here to my other channel, Camp Patton Family Compound, where I got a couple good playlists on emergency preparedness stuff. And I got these two playlists, the Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private playlist for you to share with your friends. Why? Why want to share it with your friends? Well, this is why.